E-brake. Alright, so in this episode, I'm shooting on my iPhone, so we should have better video quality and audio quality. We're gonna need to, we're gonna change the oil. So for that, we're gonna use the oil that I bought here. It's on sale from AutoZone. I'll cut to the video with where I bought this oil. And the filter. And so first thing, you want to open up your hood. It's the easiest part. You undo your oil cap, and this is so the oil can flow quicker through your system. Okay. Next, you want to, on my car, the oil filter is on the side of the car, right behind the passenger front tire. So you're gonna want to pull out your front tire, lift up your car with jack stands on both sides. Make sure it's level. Make sure your car is secure. Make sure your e-brake is on. All right, e-brake. Oil cap. E-brake. You can put it up here. Loosen your lugs. Lift up and support your car. Shake the car side to side for support. Side to side, front to back. Side to side, front to back. Make sure it's sturdy. Supporting. Supporting.
Parkour!
Oil can. Harbor Freight catches the oil so you can dispose of it later. Put it in position. Take off the nut. I'm using a 14 mil. Inspect the nut, make sure the washer's okay. I should have to change mine, but I don't have one right now, so I'm gonna just reuse the same one. But you should change your washer out if you see that's bad or that's glued to the nut like mine is. Yeah, so put this back. Oil filter, you can't take it out with your hand. So easy, goes on there like that, and grabs on and it pulls it off. After it's off, you let it drain until it starts dripping, about like that. And then you put the new one back on. There's the new one. This one, take the little plastic stuff off. You prime it with oil. Put oil here. make sure you oil the ring, put oil around there, and then plug it back on, make sure it's hand tight. Alright, so the new oil filter is on, and the oil is drained out the bottom, plugs back in there, and now we can start to put everything back together, put the car down, and start filling it up with oil. Alright, now we fill the car up with oil. We're going to want to put the recommended amount that's inside your maintenance guide, or just look online, see how much your engine takes, and that's how much you put. This is 5 quarts. I'm going to end up putting 4.5. Alright, caps on, put down, and you're ready to start the car. Warm it up, turn it off, and then check the oil level. Alright, so I turned the car on. As you can see, you might get a split second oil pressure light, the red oil light for a split second, but it goes away as soon as the car turns on. It gets oil pressure and you're good to go. We are currently in a whiteout and you can't even see 20 feet ahead of me. I finished the oil change in less than 20 minutes.